next is, as you know that array is what now? It is a single memory location where you have to store more than one value. That is called the array. So when you are creating a empty array, as the names specify, the empty array is a routine which is used to create an uninitialized array of specified shape. Okay, so empty array means we have to only declare the array without initializing any value. The syntax is like numpy.empty, shape d type is float, order is C. It accepts the following parameter like shape, the desired shape of the specified array, d type, the data type of the array item, the default is the float, order, the default order in the C type, row measure order can be set for F or footer. माने हमें जतबे गोटे empty array बनेबा, okay, so when you are using a empty array, so it contains the three parameter. First is your array size, then what is the data type, then in which order that you have to store the element. Okay, so for defining the empty array, we define import numpy as np, arr np.empty 3 row 2 column, then data type is int, means what are the value that you are storing in the array, it is on the you have to only store the integer type of value. Okay, so I define here the one program. Numpy as array. Import numpy as np, empty32, d type is int, then print the array. I write the code. Import numpy as np arr equals to np dot empty, then 3 row 2 column, then d type is equals to int, then I pass here print arr. So when I print, now check, is a blank array or empty array, automatically the memory is assigned. Okay, so it is the memory that it is created. Okay, so it is a 3 row and 2 column. Okay, and when you run this program, again I run this program, see there the memory is changed here. बुझी होची एटा होची हमरा blank space memory create करियो, माने it is a empty array which is create a memory which is blank. बुझला सागर, अमित, प्रियदर्शनी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Store it in the word.
Sir, data science रो syllabus टा कौन टिके ना जानी तो
डाटा साइंस से तमरो एबे numpy panda एटा आउ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एटा यूज करके डाटा एक्सट्रैक्शन केमती करा हो, स्टोर हो, एटा सिखा हो. तो डाटा साइंस सरला पर तापर सबटा हायर पार्ट हो मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, रोबोटिक्स आसी. रोबोटिक्स जोटा हो एटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जो माने थिबे प्राय सिखिले सेटा बेटर. So numpy as 0. Numpy as 0 is used to create a numpy array with a specified shape. Okay, so previously we were not giving any kind of value. Okay, so here see that np.0, same program we are using np.0, 3 row and 2 column. Okay, now check here. Here what we provide. This is zero array. Zero array means only it is declared, but here we are not initialize any value, okay, in the numpy. Another program. Next program is numpy 0 and numpy 1. So in numpy, it is helping you to create a single dimension array, multi-dimension array, and n dimension array. Okay, n dimension means number of dimension value that you are using. The numpy, the routine is used to create the numpy array with a specified shape where each numpy array item is initialized to 1. The syntax is used to module is given below. NumPy 1 shape data type is non, order is C. It accepts the following type of parameter. Shape with desired shape of the specified array. D type. Okay, means here we're using what? NumPy 0, then NumPy 1. Then what is the output? See here. Same program we're using here. NumPy sorry. By 1, zeros and 1s. Okay, so it is printing you 0, 0 array, then here it is printing you 1 array. Okay, so here the routine is used to create a numpy array with a specified shape where each numpy array item is initialized to 1. That is 0 सहित initialize ହେଇଥିଲା, ଏଠି 1 ସହିତ initialize ହେଲା, ବୁଝିଲା? ବୁଝିଲା ଅମିତ, ପ୍ରିୟଦର୍ଶିନୀ, ସାଗର?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ଆସିବ ଆମର 1s ଆସିବ. Next is numpy from existing data. This routine is used to create an array by using existing data from the list. Tuple. This routine is useful in the scenario where you need to convert a Python sequence into the numpy array object. The numpy array, it is used to convert the existing element into the array. So you have to convert the element into the array, that is we are using numpy array. So syntax is used like as array routine, numpy as array sequence, dp type non, order is non. So it accepts the following parameter. Like sequence, it is the Python sequence which is to be converted into the Python array. Then D type, it has the data type for each item of the array. Order, it can set for the C or F or default is C. Okay, so numpy and using the existing value, you can convert the existing value into the array. So write the program. So it is converted to the numpy. A equals to numpy RA is a 2, 1 row. If I pass 2, it is not converted. 2 row and column you have to mention. So 2 row, 3 column. Pass here 1. Repeat type is equal. Okay, it size can be convert करी. Is showing you what? It is what? It is what? It is called as the what? L length of the array. It is not 1, it is L. Small L. Small. So next program is a list we are passing, then you can pass a tuple. Okay, you can convert a tuple into the array. So we are using tuple np as array L, then it is printing you type, data type, and printing you the value. Now it is converted to the tuple into array. Okay, so here is a tuple. This tuple is converted to the array. Here. 100 into the R. Then next is list of tuples. In a tuple, you can pass a list. Same program I copy here. I define a list of tuples. So first I define a list. Then here I pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is printing you the value p dot as array. Plus only A also. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. NDRA from the list of tuple. Okay, so the multiple tuple is present in a list, then you have to show it. Visual program. अगर
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, now we're using numpy from buffer parameter. That's another function very using numpy array element. Check here another program. S is equals to over J is equals to p dot from buffer. Yes, p type dp type is equals to Byte type object is required, not a string. That type of error. Here is the numpy list equals to range 5. Okay, so range 5, then print list. So when I run the file, it's printing you range value from 0 to 5. If I pass here, suppose 10, then it is showing you 0 to 10. Means your value is starting from 0 to 10. The range value. If I run the ID here, what will the list? Range is 0 to 10. If you pass only one value, then by default it is starting from 0. Then we pass another example. I go to the slide now. The example of this numpy np dot a range np dot a range function is used see the output. Valid. Okay, so it is showing you 0 to in between 0 to 10 with the increment of 2 and 0 to 10 ଭିତରେ show କରିବ between the number, but with the increment of 2 to by using a float format. ମାନେ float format ରେ ଏଟା show ବୁଝିଲା range
Yes,
are
sir.
that variables. And next is we convert this into integer value. Okay. np dot range so এটা float ଥିଲା ଏଟା integer ଆମେ show କରିବୁ. So it is printing you all the value from 10 to 95. So it is printing you all the value from 10 to 95 with the increment of 5. Okay, so 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. So we cover up to NumPy INT. So in next class, I will start with the NumPy line space. Okay. Line space example.